Okay, now that you have your 3+ signs with your 3 different layers, it's time to start adhering them together. To me, it's just easier to go ahead and assemble these layers together and then decorate each section. So I like to use either the green top glue or tear tape for this. And so, and I like to have it so that when it's folded up, I have the mountain score line here, valley underneath, and that way it folds up like that. So I want to just put some tear tape on the bottom of layer 2. You can use the green top glue or any other really strong adhesive, but you just want to make sure that this is not going to go anywhere. So you want to use a really good strong adhesive for this. So that's why I recommend either the tear tape or green top glue. With green top glue, you have a little bit of wiggle room time to get it lined up, so that's a benefit as well. Okay, so I'm just putting this tear tape just inside that score line. So now it will go down like this. So now it will be like this so that my mountains will be up whenever I'm assembling it. So I just need to put this layer down, just like this. And you just want to center the squares, so you should see 1/4 inch outside of each one. So like right there, there's 1/4 inch, and that's how that will line up. Something like that. And so I've got layer 1 and layer 2. Now I need to do the same thing with layer 3. And again, I'm just putting it inside that score line. And I did that one the wrong direction. Oh well. You get the ideas, because I ended up putting that. It's okay. It will fold either way. Nothing to lose sleep over. So you just line this up where it's centered. Press that down really good. And then when it folds inward, then it comes together like this. And we will put the lid on it. So that will be the next video showing how to make the lid.